Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you about how to find the square root of any given number using prime factorization method. So let's take this number 3600. So how do we find the square root using prime factors method? The first step that we have to do is write down the given number in prime factor form. So we all know how to write any given number in its prime factors method. So we have to start off splitting the number in terms of its factors. So first let's start off with the smallest factor, which is the prime factor 2, and keep on dividing. So we can divide this by 2 when you get 1800. So again we can divide it by the prime factor 2. So we do it. So we get 900. So again we can divide this by 2. So therefore we get 450. Still we can divide by 2. So it's going to be 225. Okay, so now we cannot divide by 2, so I think we can divide by 5. So let's do that. So it is going to be 5 420, and balance 2 and 25. Okay, so let me write down after this. So it is going to be after 45, we get the numbers, so we can divide this again by 5. So it's going to be 5 and 9 are the factors. So if you write down the 9 in factor form, prime factor form, it's going to be 3. Okay, so now we got the prime factorization tree. So I'm going to write down this in this prime factor form. So this number can be written as, so we need to count how many 2's we have. 1 2 3 4. So I can write down this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and we have 2 5's. So I'm going to write down this as 5 into 5 and 3 into 3. Okay, so this is the prime factorization form of the given number 3600. Now how to find the square root? The square root can easily be obtained by compiling the numbers in pairs. So here if you observe keenly, I have a pair of 2's, I have another pair of 2's, I have another pair of 5, and I have another pair of 3. So I'm going to write down, or I'm going to take only the pairs of number just once. So if that being the case, so for this 2 I'm going to write down 1, and for the second pair of 2 I'm going to write down as 1 2, and for the another pair of 5 I'm going to write down as 1 5, and then multiply that by another pair of 3, which is going to be 3. So therefore if you find the product of these numbers, you will get, that is 5, 2 into 2 is 4, so 4 into 5 into 3. So this is going to be 4 into 5 20, 20 into 3 2 equal to 60. So 60 is the square root of the given number. I hope you understood this method. I'll be discussing more problems in my another video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.